Ninang Jixie, thank you po sa gift.
Caleb. Ay, iba yata ang gusto ni Caleb ngayon. Wow! Caleb wants it. Wow!
Ito, yun.
Wow!
Like this, bro.
Ito now, you open the next for Caleb.
Oh,
What is this?
diaper.
Wow! That's what we want! Oh! Very good! Yan na ito.
Kay ate. Kay,
Yeah! Kay Bella!
Claude.
Thank you! Wow! That's what we want.
Snack.
What's next, Ate Lam? Atoy, a Caleb! Wow! It's a dino! Kanina nang galing? Bili.
Kay ate Tita Gay ata.
Hindi, yung kay Tita Gay, yung mga trucks. Nasaan? Wow! Thank you!
Thank you.
Dinosaur! Wow!
Kay Yana May ata ito.
Yana May? Thank you, Yana May.
Ay, kay Kuya Gab pala.
Kay Kuya Gab. Ay, di kapatid nung yung Triceratops.
Oo.
Diba?
Kaya pala, open.
Open.
Okay, open. Kanina.
Wow. Wow, damit!
From...
Short O.
Oh, short O. Kay Zoe ata.
Kay Zoe? Thank you, Zoe.
Ito pala kay Zoe.
Ay, di yan. Ay, Zoe. Ba, ay, Junjun. Si Junjun yung bumili pa yata eh. Iwan ko lang. Thank you po. Ang kanina po yan. Walang name.
Ito
Kay
kay
Zoe.
Zoe. Here.
Wow. It's addressed to... You open it. Show it.
Thank you.
Wow.
Ang ganda.
Ang ganda.
Greasy. Mahalang greasy.
Wow. Thank you po.
Madaming pangalan.
Ito from Caleb Asher.
And this, from Asher. Not inside. Here, you broke here. You cut.
Wow.
Wow.
Kanina galing yan?
Kay Asher.
Thank you, Asher boy.
Thank you po.
Wow, ganda. May pang araw-araw na. Who is
From Jethro.
Jethro? Wow.
Open.
Yan. From Jethro.
Wow.
What is that? Wow. It's a hat.
Thank you po.
Mom plus dad is me. Wow. What? Wow.
Okay, natin. Next.
Next is from Owagay and Ninong Carlo.
Wow.
Wow. It's a toy truck. Pasalubong.
Ang lagay.
Pasalubong. Wow. It's a dress. Thank you po.
Thank you po. Okay. Po, malaki pa.
The next one. No more. From Tisay to Caleb. We will open it. Wow. A beautiful dress.
Wow.
Wow. It's a basketball dress. Wow.
White dress.
Thank you po, Tisay. Happy birthday, Caleb. Caleb, happy birthday.
Mhm.
Happy birthday, Caleb.
Yay!